Hey y'all, Cheraw Tony here. Today the road brings me back to Blenheim, South Carolina, and we are here once again for the country style cook-off. And check this out. Come see your favorite YouTube sensations. I'm here. Well really, I'm here for the wings, the ribs, the chicken, whatever I can get on my plate. And hey, you can't taste it, but you can come with me. Hopefully we'll get to meet the coordinator of this event, Art Fennell. Maybe he can tell us a little bit about what inspired him to do this, but nonetheless, there are over 40 grills here today, and we're going to meet some of them and taste some of their good cooking. And we'll get started right after this station identification. Well, we have made our way past the gate. We have our armbands. We're going to look around and check out some of this good cooking. To be honest with you, I really don't know where to start. Here's Mud's Barbecue. We're going to have to come check him out when he gets some samples ready. And here is another one. Nothing fancy from Fayetteville, North Carolina. Again, they have their own brand of sauce. Okay, we're going to try a wing out from Nothing Fancy, Fayetteville, North Carolina. Wee doggy! That's a good barbecue chicken. Yeah, Let's Barbecue, all the way from Philadelphia. It's got some serious smoke going on. Look at here now. This is how it's done. The smoking going on. Check it out. The only bad thing about this is you can't smell what I can smell. And it smells good.
Yes, sir.
Man, question. Are you a judge?
I'm a judge.
Now, how do you judge? What are you looking for?
I'm looking for the taste, tender, and the sauce.
All right. You know what they say? The secret's in the sauce.
Secret's in the sauce.
Okay, y'all. We are here at the Country Style Cook-Off in Blenheim, and we have met the man, the myth, the legend, Art Fennell.
Where is he? Man, myth, legend. He sounds important.
He is. Well, I did get a chance to meet him last year, but we've talked a couple times this past year. But, Art, question.
Yes.
What inspired you to do this?
Well, Tony, we've been doing it. So we started this as a backyard thing for my family at our family reunion. And all of my family members cook.
Right.
It became a fierce competition. Then we expanded it to a few more people. It kept growing and growing, and so then we just opened it up to the community, and now it's open to the whole country.
Well, I'm gonna tell you, if you have never been, this is, to me, it's mind-blowing. One thing is I love barbecue.
Yeah.
And it's here.
Yeah. You're getting some good stuff, right?
I'm getting some very good stuff. I'll be smelling my fingers.
I've been doing the same thing.
I'll be smelling my fingers.
I'm doing the same thing.
I go to bed tonight like this. So I understand that there's some stiff competition here. We have over 40 competitors.
45.
45 competitors from all over the United States.
Texas, Louisiana,
Arizona,
Florida, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C. That's just off the top of my head.
So some stiff competition, some big prizes, but also proceeds goes to...
We're giving out scholarships. Local scholarships to the kids of Marlboro County that are college bound. You know, Marlboro County has got challenges financially, like a lot of other places. So any help we can give these kids is what we're doing. They'll all be here. A requirement, Tony, to get the scholarship is they have to be here. You know why I want that? I want people to see them. I want them to see our kids. Like, look, these are our kids. And these are the recipients of your generosity.
That's a great idea. That's a great idea.
Yeah, that's what we do.
Well, thank you so much.
Man, I'm glad you're here. Good luck to everything you're doing. And hey, these cameras, bring the world together, don't they?
They do. They do.
They bring the world together.
I have met, since I started my YouTube channel, I have met some people that I would never come in contact with or think I had anything to do, you know, anything, what's the word I'm looking for? Like minds.
Yes.
But we get together and we find out we have more in common than we thought we did.
That's right. That's exactly right.
And hey, what a better way to bring people together.
Yeah. Food, man.
All right.
That's what we do.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate it.
Tony. Thank you, guys.
Now, I don't even know Cousin Soul. All right. What you got going on here?
Low in sodium, low in sugar, diabetic friendly with excellent flavor. Taste this. It's gonna make you slap your mama, your auntie, your sister, your niece, and your little brother.
I was going to say, I need to turn your camera so we can see your reaction.
Now, I want you to see the flavor.
Chocolate.
Chocolate has cocoa in it. Cocoa is a natural sweetener.
Huh.
I put it in my beans, I put it in my We from New Orleans, baby. Cousin.
Love some good New Orleans food.
Oh, yeah.
This fella here, he is kind of famous. This is the Smoking Lizard.
Okay.
All right, this is him. This is the Smoking Lizard man. All right. You getting them ribs ready?
I'm getting ready, man.
Rub them things.
Yeah, I'm gonna rub them down as soon as I get all this fat off there, man.
Well, let me ask you a question.
Yes, sir.
I already know your stuff's good.
Yeah.
So how you think you're gonna do in the competition?
Man, I'm looking for a big win today, man.
You gonna smoke them?
I'm gonna smoke them like the smoking lizard do.
I hear it.
And after it do,
I hear
it
it.
did.
Here are the Sailor Boys from Charlotte, North Carolina. They've got those ribs going on too.
Oh yeah, it's competition time.
Yeah, it's competition time. Now the Lizard Man said he's gonna smoke them.
You gonna smoke?
You gonna tear them up?
Hey,
How you think you gonna do?
I think I'm gonna win every category.
You daggone
I told
straight.
him, hey, you know, Sailor Boys, Warfare Fleet, it's already been deployed.
Well, you know,
already on station.
I'm telling you.
Oh yeah. It's going down.
Can't wait, can't wait. Well, here is a tip. You come, don't be in a hurry. There's a lot of people here. A lot of grill masters. Yeah. And some good food. You know what they say? Good food is worth waiting for. That's why they call cooking, when you cook your barbecue, it's low and slow. Here's a Wingmaster champion country style grill master 2022. Now where are y'all from?
Charlotte, North Carolina.
Okay.
Oh, she's from Charlotte. She's from Charlotte.
How you doing?
Doing great, man. How y'all doing?
All right.
Been a minute. How you doing?
Good to see you. What you got going on in this pan?
I just got some chicken wings. We're doing some baby back ribs. And just getting them sauced up and ready to put a little char on them.
Okay.
And some of y'all yum yum.
All right. With barbecue trucker from Crawford, Florida. And they got some ribs. We're gonna get one and check it out here in a minute. Look at all those ribs. Doing good.
Look at them ribs. You want a rib?
I do.
Anybody want some chicken?
Thank you.
Rib?
Barbecue trucker from Crawford, Florida. I'm gonna get it with no sauce.
Crawfordville. There you go. Crawfordville, Florida.
Crawfordville.
Crawfordville, Florida. Yes. How is it? How's your
It's
rib?
good. Listen, these ribs don't need no sauce.
Woo, okay then. We so appreciate that.
That's the secret to the meat.
Okay, that's it.
If you got good meat, you don't have to cover it up.
You gotta cover it with nothing.
This stuff here,
Okay, yes, sir.
I ain't have a hog of this stuff. This is all right.
Well, good. Well, thank you, sir.
Thank
we so
you.
appreciate that.
Take me to the chicken.
Oh, taste and see. Here, Booty's Barbecue and Soul Food. Check out what Booty's got on his table. He's got some Blenheim ginger ale. Try Grandma's shebangs. Thank you. Grandma's shebangs from Augusta, Georgia. Grandma's shebangs, Augusta, Georgia. Chicken wings. Sweet, little savory. Something I'm tasting in it, I can't, lemon.
There he goes. Look at that meat. Judging station. This is where a little on later on this afternoon it's going to all go down, and we're going to find out who's going to be the prize winner.
Big question is, who will bring home the prize? We've eaten some good chicken, some good ribs, and I'm just glad I'm not the one that has to decide, because it's going to be tight.
Check you guys.
Thanks, sir.
Dicky boys. Good rib. Well, that is going to do it for our trip to Blenheim, South Carolina, and to the country style cook-off. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did eating it. That don't make sense. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. It was really good. The barbecue, ribs, chicken, brisket was off the hook. Thank you again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share with your family and friends. But until next time, y'all have a good day.